might have just hit a point of low in the renovation. Put in a really big day of drywall with my dad and my friend Kev, and we didn't finish one room. It was a lot of work, 3 people. And by my calculations, if I had 3 people every day, it would take 4 days, maybe 3, but I don't. So I think it might take more than a week. And then I have to get into the mudding and taping, which I will probably be doing by myself. And so I'm feeling kind of like challenged today by this reno in a way that I haven't really yet felt challenged. My optimism is being challenged right now. I've been feeling very optimistic. It's my default, very positive, and today I'm like, oh my God. Yeah. So, yeah. I think I won the neighbor lottery here.
Neighbor what lottery?
Neighbor lottery.
What do you mean?
I hit the jackpot.
Oh, yeah.
Plus, you're 100% safe,
Okay.
according to your t-shirt.
Oh, all right. Nobody will know who you are.
You'll go down in history, they call it.
Moral support team.
Moral support. A gopher. Well, I don't know what kind of a gopher I'll be.
Drywall go.
June, come here. Good girl. Alright, so I have one room totally drywall, which is making me feel way better about the situation here. So I have these incredible neighbors who live next door who came in and helped me drywall. Like, what kind of neighbors do that? I think I won the neighbor lottery. So they came in and we got this entire room finished today, and then some drywall in the hallway. So when you move into a new home, here's what you want. You want your next door neighbor to be a retired contractor because he's got all the tools, all the knowledge. They came and gave me an entire morning today. And the best part about it was that it wasn't just him, it was like the family, right? So his wife and her mother, and you know, it's kind of like what I was saying last week. Loretta was sweeping and passing tools and going to get tools, and she didn't think she was being very much help, but like, that's sweeping that I don't have to do. I don't have to get down off the ladder, go get a tool and come back. It's like every little bit of help that I've had on this project has been so valuable to me. So that's been really, really, really nice. So this week started off on a bit of a low note. I've had a glimpse of the reality of drywalling and how long it takes and how hard it is actually. Like, you think that it's kind of brainless, but like every time you make a cut, you have to do math and then recut because the house isn't square. So everything could be a little bit off. Those who know me know that I'm not necessarily math inclined. tends to be the area where I defer to other people. Having someone else's brain here to do that is amazing. I can screw drywall into the wall, no problem. I can help lift it up, I can do all of that. But the math part challenges my little brain. So yeah, it's been a bit up and down this week, but I think this is a high note right now. So yay. And then later today, the plan is to go to the hardware store again. I think I made 2 trips yesterday, which is pretty good. 2 trips is good for a day. I'd rather not go 2 times a day. I'd rather go once a week, but like the reality is that like I just need things. But I also was shopping for drywall supplies, and I made a new friend in the drywall aisle. It was this guy picking up drywall supplies, and I was like, hey, do you do this? And he was like, yeah. And I said, do you have a card? And he's like, oh yeah, here you go. So he gave me his card, and then he came by last night to check out the project, and he's gonna come and help me on the weekend. Yay! So I don't know. This might actually happen. A little bit of ceiling there, and I got a light put right here today because this is hanging over the stairs, and that's going to be a chandelier type of thing that I got at a yard sale. I'm super bored of drywall, so I'm going to prime a little tiny part of the house just because I want to do something different and I want to see what this tinted primer looks like. So this is what you do when you just need a little joy. Don't tell my neighbors, but that's a tinted primer. I'm gonna tell them that I'm painting the house pink. They're gonna freak out. They already think I'm super weird. You know, I am super weird, so that's fair. Here they come now. False alarm, that wasn't them. All right, I got my camera.
Alrighty. You What? Oh.
I'm a bugger, it's true. Just getting your project.
What's that?
Just getting some shots of your project here.
Oh. This is our new neighbor, Beth. She's helping us because we help her. That's called the barter system, the old-fashioned way.
Yeah, that's right.
And when you listen to me on here, I'm really gonna sound like a Lunenburg County person. My accent.
I should think so. That's who you are.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I can't lift drywall by myself. I can't lift a drywall sheet and put it on the wall by myself. So I need you.
Yeah.
And I really appreciate you. And the least I can do is come over here and give you a couple hours of trim painting.
Right. So tomorrow we're gonna be hanging gyprock at her place.
And I'm so excited.
Yeah.
There, that's good. I think
Bye for now.